I'm going to take you through the sterilisation module in Praktika. This video is going to show you how to use the sterilisation module if your autoclave prints its own labels. So on the left-hand side of Praktika, we go to sterilisation. The first thing that you'll need to do is go to sterilisation devices. From here, what you'll need to do is enter in your autoclave details. So whether you've got one autoclave or multiple autoclaves, you'll enter them in here. Add new autoclave, autoclave name, the serial number. This will be located on your autoclave somewhere. You can put a description. This is if you've got two, you might want to put the left-hand side autoclave. Now, the important thing to do here is this autoclave prints its own labels. So we are going to tick this for this particular autoclave. And now we add in our autoclave cycles. So these are all the cycles that the autoclave can do. So universal, add, B and D test, and your back test. I'm just going to add on those. I'm just going to remove that test cycle. So we've got 3 cycles there, and you may or may not have more than 3. So you can keep adding as many as you need. Once you've finished there, you can press save. Once you've added in your devices, now you can go to Sterilisation Journal. So let's say your autoclave cycle has finished and completed. It's printed out the labels for you. Now, your labels will not be unique. They'll all have the same barcode number if they've been printed from your sterilisation device. So because they're not unique, we can't identify what's inside of those packs. So we're going to skip sterilisation pack templates and sterilisation packs and go straight to the journal. In here, we're adding the sterilisation record. So press the green plus up here. So this is all details of the cycle that's just been completed. Autoclave name, this is from your sterilisation devices. The tracking ID must be entered. So this is your barcode label, or if it has a specific tracking ID number, please enter that in. Cycle type, so that's again what you entered in under the sterilisation devices. Cycle number, the cycle temperature, pressure, exposure time, and the start and finish time should all be on a printout or accessible from the screen on your autoclave. Once you've entered in all of those details, you'll choose here whether there was a steam indicator strip, whether it's changed colours or not, or there wasn't a steam strip in this cycle. You can enter passed or failed. It's important that we leave this area over here with the pack label and action table. We leave that blank. We don't enter anything in here, and we save. That's our autoclave record there that I've just entered in. So now I can add this onto patient appointments. So once I've got a pack from that cycle, I can open it up, use it on the patient, and scan it in. So I click on their appointment, and I click autoclave track, and then I can scan in the barcode, or I can write it in, enter, or add. This tells me that it has come from a past cycle. So the contents that I've entered with the label code 140694 has come from a past cycle, and the sterilisation module can identify that.